Wait! There is a surprise! For you don't close the video, wait until the end. I will explain to you the advantages and disadvantages of this camera, and is it worth buying? I want you to put your opinion in the comment and say which camera is the best among these three cameras. Complete the video until the end, and don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel and activating the bell button so that you receive everything new. And if you want me to provide you with a review of any product, I will publish videos about each exclusive and useful product. For you, I will put the product link in the video description. Let's start. Number 1. It's a camera. GoPro 12 Hero Black. Incredible image quality, even better hypersmooth video stabilization, and a huge boost in battery life come together in the new GoPro Hero 12 Black. It takes superb 5.3K video and adds high dynamic range, HDR, to capture once-in-a-lifetime journeys and amazing everyday moments in even more detail. Thanks to its improved power management, it delivers 2x longer continuous recording at 5.3K 60-70 minutes. Tough, lightweight, and easily mountable for hands-free recording, it's ready for anything, on land or in the water, while advanced video stabilization keeps your footage smooth over rough terrain. After recording, simply plug in your GoPro. While it's charging, your footage will automatically upload to the cloud and be sent to your phone as a highlight video that lets you relive your adventure and share the fun. 360 degrees horizon lock. The Hero 12 Black Creator Edition's linear with horizon lock digital lens keeps your footage steady even if your camera rotates a full 360 degrees during capture. Combined with hypersmooth, horizon lock gives you super smooth footage that looks perfectly straight when you want it to. Extra large FOV. The powerful image sensor delivers an expansive field of view. Simply use the GoPro Quick app to zoom in, crop, and edit your shots. Hero 12 Black exclusive digital lens takes extra-large 8:7 aspect ratio footage and serves it up as a wide-angle 16:9 shot. Unbelievable image quality. With its 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. High dynamic range video and photo. It takes its premium image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. HDR captures the details that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. Compatible with the new Max Lens Mod 2.0. It transforms into the ultimate POV camera with the wide field of view, FOV, ever on a Hero camera, at 177 degrees, up from the 155 degrees FOV of the original Max Lens Mod. It delivers stunning 4K resolution plus 1080p video. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing hypersmooth performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park, or get awesome pet POV shots. Even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. 8-bit, 10-bit with log video. Hero 12 Black lets you choose between capturing 8-bit, 10-bit, or log video. Capable of displaying over 1 billion colors, 10-bit color delivers enhanced color depth, smoother gradations, and more realism in your videos, while 8-bit offers smaller file sizes. Up to 8x slow-mo. Everything is more awesome in slow motion. Hero 12 Black lets you record the action at up to 8x slow-mo at resolutions up to 2.7K for playback at normal speed or in super fluid slow motion to catch epic details that you'd never be able to see with the naked eye. Rugged and waterproof. Its legendary durability can take a beating and keep going, whether you're ripping through mud, snow, or water, down to 33 feet/10 m. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. 2x longer runtime. Its improved battery efficiency combines with the included 1,720 mAh Enduro battery to deliver 2x increase in 5.3K 60 video runtime on each charge. You'll get 70 minutes of continuous recording at 5.3K, plus over 1.5 hours at 5.3K and over 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p. Number 2, it's a camera, Insta360 Ace Pro. Capture your world like never before with the Insta360 Ace Pro, a powerhouse of innovation, offering immersive 360-degree video recording and professional-level features in a compact, user-friendly design. Engineered with precision, the Ace Pro is not just a camera, it's a tool for storytellers, creators, and adventurers. Its sleek and lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or exploring. Insta360 Ace Pro weighs 180 g and has external dimensions of 71.9 by 52.1 by 38.5 millimeters. Considering that the average weight of action camera-type cameras is 128 g, Insta360 Ace Pro is a significantly heavy camera for its class. With a thickness of 39 millimeters, it is not small either, 7 millimeters thicker than the average of its class. With 4K video resolution, the Insta360 Ace Pro captures every detail in stunning clarity. Its flow state stabilization ensures smooth and cinematic footage, even in the most dynamic environments. Day or night, the Ace Pro excels. Its HDR mode delivers vibrant colors and rich contrast, while the low light capabilities make every shot look professional. With Insta360 Ace Pro, you can record your videos at a highest resolution of 7680 by 4320 at 25p, 24p FPS, and save in H.264 and H.265 formats. This means that Insta360 Ace Pro provides an impressive 8K video, highest resolution that is available in the market today. This is a new technology that hasn't become mainstream like 4K yet, but still gives the user a lot of room for cropping or sampling down to 4K or lower if needed. Insta360 Ace Pro LCD. Insta360 Ace Pro has a fixed type 2.27-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 0K dots. At only 2.27-inch, the screen is on the smaller side and 0K DOT resolution is lower than most of the recent models in this class. LCD is touch screen type, so you can change the settings and set the focus point with your fingertips. For those of you who love shooting selfies, self or group photos, Insta360 Ace Pro will make your life easier with its selfie-friendly screen. Another group of users who will take advantage of Ace Pro's LCD screen are vloggers and any video creators who are working in a single-person setup. Ace Pro doesn't have a viewfinder and no option for external viewfinder. Lack of a viewfinder can be problematic, especially under strong light where visibility of LCD screens goes down dramatically. Need to share quickly? With built-in Wi-Fi and 360 live streaming, you can connect, create, and broadcast in real time, keeping your audience engaged. Insta360 Ace Pro features built-in wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, which lets you transfer your photos directly to compatible devices without any physical connection. Insta360 Ace Pro's Bluetooth connectivity feature comes handy for connecting other devices that supports it. One other feature that we like is the ability to use our smartphone as a remote to control our Ace Pro. You can change camera settings, release shutter, view LCD screen, and transfer files using remote control app. Insta360 Ace Pro has a USB-C port to connect your camera to other devices. Editing is a breeze with the Insta360 app. Use intuitive tools to reframe, add effects, and share your videos instantly on social media. Plus, AI-powered features like auto frame and smart track ensure every moment shines. The Insta360 Ace Pro is designed for versatility. Pair it with a wide range of accessories to unlock even more creative possibilities, from action mounts to underwater housings. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting your journey, the Insta360 Ace Pro is your ultimate companion for capturing memories, telling stories, and inspiring the world. Number 3, it's a camera. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo. 1. Design and general specifications. The first thing you might notice when you see the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its modern and durable design. This camera is characterized by its small and light size, making it ideal for mounting on drones or using it manually in sports activities. The camera is designed to withstand harsh conditions, as it is waterproof up to a depth of 10 meters, and it also has protection against dust and shocks, making it a reliable partner in your outdoor adventures. The camera comes with a front and rear touch screen, making it easy to adjust settings and instantly view scenes. The front screen is also ideal for influencers and content creators who want to make sure of the frame while shooting personal videos. 2. Photography and video performance. What makes the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stand out is its ability to shoot high-quality video at up to 4K at 120 frames per second, which means you'll get videos with fine, smooth details, even in fast-paced action. But there's more. The camera also supports 5.3K video recording, which means you'll be able to capture exceptionally sharp scenes, especially if you're documenting your adventures or filming sports activities such as snowboarding or cycling. And thanks to Rocksteady 5.0 image stabilization technology, the camera can stabilize images and videos remarkably, giving you smooth, clear shots without the need for additional equipment. 3. Smart technologies. What makes the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro even more exciting is its built-in smart technologies. With HDR video support, you'll be able to capture scenes with high contrast between shadows and highlights. The camera also supports slow-mo at 240 frames per second, which is ideal for capturing exciting moments that require slow, sharp details. AI also plays a role in enhancing the experience. With the intelligent tracking of faces and objects, the camera can easily follow you while shooting without missing a frame. 4. Battery and charging. As for battery life, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro comes with a replaceable battery that offers you a long shooting time of up to more than 2 hours of continuous recording. Thanks to the fast charging technology, the camera can be charged in a very short time, allowing you to continue filming your adventures without interruption. If you are going on long trips or daily adventures, the replaceable battery can be a great feature to ensure that your shooting continues for longer periods. 5. Accessories and add-ons. Now we come to the standard combo contents. The camera comes with a range of useful accessories such as different holders, a protective case, as well as accessories that allow you to mount the camera on a variety of surfaces, such as helmets, bicycles, or even drones. With this comprehensive kit, you can use the camera in a wide range of activities without having to purchase additional accessories. 6. Other features. Let's mention some additional features that make the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro an excellent choice for all photography enthusiasts. The camera supports high-quality audio recording, allowing you to capture clear and accurate sound while you are filming, even in windy or noisy conditions. In addition, there is the possibility of connecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to easily transfer files to your phone or computer. 7. Is it worth buying? Now the most important question, is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro worth buying? If you are a sports photography enthusiast or need a rugged camera that can withstand daily adventures, the answer is yes. This camera provides excellent performance in photography and video, and has modern technologies that make every moment worth recording.